Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Reading a text file line by line in Python is a common operation, and it can be done using various methods. Below is a tutorial with a code example using the built-in functions in Python. Reading a text file line by line is a fundamental operation in Python programming. This tutorial will guide you through the process using different methods. The most straightforward way is to use a for loop to iterate through the lines of the file. Another way is to use the readlines method to read all lines at once and then iterate through the list. You can also use a while loop if you need more control over the iteration process. Reading a text file line by line is a simple yet essential operation in Python. Choose the method that best suits your requirements. This tutorial covers the basic methods to read a text file line by line in Python. Feel free to adapt the code to your specific needs or use it as a starting point for more complex file handling tasks. ChatGPT